Okay, so that's where the numbers are going to come from. So I'm going to go put those on our financial statements. Okay, so let's put it all together now. We know that revenue total $10,000. I don't have to list each individual revenue itself. I'll just do the total of 10 grand. And then also we have rent. Notice I'm putting the dollar sign at the very top, but not on each of them. Rent was $700. Advertising was $750. Salary and wages, $1,000. And utilities was $140. So then I draw my line, and I have total expenses, $2,590. Then revenue minus expenses gives us a net income of $7,410. Beginning retained earnings, because it's the first month, was 0. This net income, right, flows into here, so $7,410. We didn't have any dividends. Oh, just a sec. I misspoke earlier. We did have a dividend, didn't we? That $500, transaction number 6. No, transaction number 7. Transaction number 7. So back on that horizontal model, we did have a dividend. That was my mistake. So anyhow, put our $500 dividend here. So that will net to $6,910. And then that'll go forward to the balance sheet. Retained earnings. Okay, then also from the horizontal model, we can get our balances. Cash was $26,360. Accounts receivable had an ending balance of $1,000. Supplies had an ending balance of $300. Draw our line. Those are our current assets, $27,660. So the first number gets a dollar sign by it. And then equipment had a balance of $10,000. That's our long-term asset. So we have current and long-term. Add those together, $37,660. Liabilities, we had an account payable of $750. And that was the only liability. Common stock was $30,000. And then we had our retained earnings of $69,10. Add those together to get $36,910. Then we'll add liabilities plus stockholders' equity, $37,660. And we're in balance. Now there is an accompanying video as well when you're going to actually do the horizontal model on Excel. So you're really going to be doing this sort of thing in Excel. There's another lecture video showing you how to set that up in Excel. But I think you're going to find, once you see how to set up these columns and rows and that sort of thing, you'll be able to just fast forward or bypass a good deal of that particular lecture and speed your way through it. But the main thing you need to watch that lecture for is learning how to set up the headings and these grids and that sort of thing.